Dear students, how are you all? Hope keeping well. So, today we are going to learn about speed and velocity. These are objective of today's video. Let's have a look on it. Very first is speed. We learn about it and then we learn about velocity. Speed. So, we can say the speed of the body give the some idea of how slow or fast that body is moving. So, we can define it as the speed of the body is distance traveled by it per unit time, and SI unit of speed is meter per second. You might have seen this meter per second speed, or we also measure in kilometer per hour, and you might have seen and you motorbikes and cars. So the definitions give the formula for speed. Speed is distance traveled over time, where v is speed, s is distance traveled, and t is time. And the next is average speed and uniform speed. The average speed of the body is a total distance traveled divided by the total time taken. To cover the distance, the formula to work out the average speed is given here. We can say that average speed is total distance traveled divided by total time taken. Uniform speed is again a constant speed. A body has a uniform speed if it travels equal distances in equal intervals of time. As a graph, it will be a straight line parallel to x-axis, which denotes time. Then velocity. The velocity of a body is displacement reduced per unit time and its SI unit is meter per second. And definition says velocity of a body is distance traveled by it per unit time in a given direction, and the formula for this is velocity is equal to displacement over time, which is same as the formula for speed, where v is velocity of body, s is displacement of the body, and t is time taken. The differences between velocity and speed. Here are some common differences between speed and velocity. Very first is speed has only magnitude, means only numerical value, no specific direction, whereas velocity has magnitude as well as direction because speed does not have any direction, so it is a scalar quantity, and velocity is a vector quantity. We have example here, we can read it. Now, uniform velocity. A body has a uniform velocity if it travels in a specified direction in a straight line and moves over equal distances in equal intervals of time. Again, it is same as uniform speed, just with a little differences. Average speed is given here. You can use this formula. Average speed is equal to u plus v divided by 2, where v is final velocity of body, u is initial velocity of body, v average is time taken.